Ultimately, I'll tell you what my dream is: to do something related, a lot of stuff to do with social work. But to bring all these dreams into reality, I need my businesses that has to support me. The end of my career, my lifetime, you would see me probably doing more stuff related to culture and social philanthropy kind of stuff. So that's what I want to be. What I am today is because of my family, my parents, my mom, dad, because dad was like a pillar of support for me and my mom, and mom was someone who was with me throughout, from the beginning of my career till a couple of years ago, when I told her, now you go do your stuff and enjoy yourself, I'll take care of it from now. Anedaka she was with me. And నాకు మ్యూజిక్, డాన్స్ వాటి మీద ఇంక్లినేషను అంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేనప్పుడే వాళ్ళు దాన్ని నాలో క్రియేట్ చేశారు. సో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ దట్స్ వెన్ ఐ టుక్ ఓవర్ అండ్ డిడ్ సంథింగ్ ఆన్ మై ఓన్. బట్ అంటిల్ దెన్ ఐ వాజ్ మోర్ playful, like any other friend of mine, like in school or college. So it was definitely my parents. But coming to inspiration or my role models, or evarni choose nenu evarlaga avalanukuntunnanu ane danikana, I would say I like qualities in different people. Like I wouldn't say this is the person that I want to be. I want to be myself, but with qualities of this, qualities like that, qualities like that. So it could be someone in music, I would admire them and say, okay, this is where I want to reach. When it comes to being socially conscious, I would like to be like someone like this. When it comes to being a business person, someone ethically in business, doing something for a long time with great ethics in business. So I'd like to pick up my favorite qualities out of different people and try to put them into action. I mean, nobody is perfect, everyone has, all of us have our own flaws, and a little good, a little bad, but try and take the best out of everyone and see what you can incorporate in yourself. I did one endorsement recently. It's Sonata, Titan Sonata, the national ambassador Dhoni, Ade brand ki. I've been the regional ambassador. Yeah, it's very interesting actually. Getting involved with a brand is very interesting, but there were a couple of offers that came in. I want to be more selective on the kind of endorsements that I do. Sonata is not the high-end watches in Titan. They are the beginners watches. So that's the whole ad, the ad is running around it. It says, be a superstar. The reason why they picked me in that ad was because it's like a small town girl becoming what she aspired to become. Like Dhoni comes from a very small place, and then he's become a Dhoni today. Being a part of the ad, the same ad, sharing screen, sharing the ad space with Dhoni feels really great. So that's the reason they picked me out regionally. A small town girl, aspiring big, dreaming big, and reaching there. Nothing is impossible without hard work. Thank you so much.